That is awesome.
One-off custom Suns theme.
That is all y'all got. That's fresh, God, cold. That's tough. I didn't know. Look, I was like, I don't want no input on the design. Y'all just do it, and this is hard. That joint is hard. What is all this? This is nice.
Oh, yeah.
That was the fan.
Yeah, we got some fans, 2 rows of them actually in the top there. Be as overkill as possible, of course. And all the colors will sync to orange and purple in a bit here.
Ooh. This is y'all right here?
Yep.
PCs. Thank you guys. I appreciate it.
Absolutely.
Cameraman.
Yep.
Thank y'all, man. This is dope.